Our tax team is me. Before we had Avalara, we really weren't on the compliance level that we should have been. We've been through sales tax audits with and without Avalara. In the previous place I was at, we had multiple sales tax audits, and I know when Texas came into that one, we had one of the few that this auditor has ever seen that was a clean bill of health. Every single cert that we had filed, we were able to quickly and easily pull to provide, backup for why it was non-taxable. And, at the end of the day, we got the green smiley face and, there was absolutely no extra fee or anything on our part. On the other side of that, I've been on ones without it, and, it's a living nightmare. So companies that tend to have, some kind of application like Avalara CertCapture tends to have all their documents more organized, easily identifiable. And in that case, even if there's those ones or twos that you don't have, auditors tend to give you the benefit of the doubt because you do have a structure in place, you do have something in place. It's when you're a manual system or you're kind of out here in left field, the benefit of the doubt is not on your side.